Today we are doing a tutorial on how to use I think it's called muzzle loading pistol that I created. You see this setup here, headphone warning, lol. It fires a fast projectile, and the gun barrel tends to be hot afterwards. So, I'm gonna take this. So this is how it works. We take this, we put this is the primer basically. This is the munitions to launch it. And this is the projectile. Why I chose crystal, nobody shall know, because I don't know, me, myself. Now we will pop that. And now we have these. So we are going to use these to connect these to there as to the trigger, aka simple button, to actually work. And then you fire away. Now, very funny munitions are allowed too. And by allowed, I mean works for the weapon. About anything works for it. I can't guarantee anything, but I can guarantee majority of items in the game People Playground will be able to be shot out of this firearm. Just watch and learn. Oh, dang it. Yeah, we tend to have trigger problems, so my solution to this is because the wires sometimes are a little weird. Sometimes you mess it up or something. But that's okay. I might have set it up wrong myself. So we're going to do this, and bang! A wood plank just got launched. Now it will come with these munitions right there on the screen. There is the tutorial for your muzzle loading pistol on People Playground today. Out on the workshop.